Zodwa totally rocks the runway at Durban Fashion Fair. Zodwa Wabantu has added to her growing resume by becoming a model. No, you are not dreaming, you read right. Zodwa hit the runaway on Thursday evening at the prestigious Durban Fashion Fair dressed in designs from Muzi Mlambo for the bridal collection. Dressed in rose gold sheer dress with a high bun, Zodwa's entrance sent the crowd into a frenzy. Walking in with a cape/train that extended from her arm, she blew kisses to the crowd as she worked it. Speaking to SUBCRIBE after the show, Zodwa said she thought she was chosen by designers because she brought a VA boom. I was told 4 days ago. There was no reason why I was chosen. I am a businesswoman and they saw I am multi-talented. They were surprised I had done my hair. I had put on makeup. They used to say I was so ugly. They said I looked like a man. Now they say I am beautiful. She said the moment she got home from the show she washed off the makeup and returned to her usual look. People said I must always look like that from now on, but I am a classy girl. I won't change for anyone. Not for fame or for more likes. I only change because there is work. I step into a character. But when I am done, I will go back to being who I am normally.